Hi everyone, let's decorate this witch hat. Look how cute this is looking. For that we are going to cut these shapes from craft paper, roll it, make a cone and paste it on the top of this circle. Now we are going to fold this orange craft paper, make a bow and paste it on the top of this hat, decorate it using stars and look, it's ready. We're going to make these beautiful shapes using craft paper for Halloween. So cut this yellow circle. Now cut 12 such circles and paste all of them one after another in a circular form and look, it's ready. Look at these scary bats. Let's make it for Halloween. So make multiple fold on this black strip of paper, fold it and paste it like this. Now we are going to make the face of the bat. So paste googly eyes, its pointy teeth, its ears and paste it on the top of the stick and look, it's ready. We are going to make these ghosts using lollipops. So we are going to tie a knot using tissue paper and pipe cleaner. So make a bow like this. We are going to make the face of the ghost as well and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful bat. So let's get started. We're going to fold this purple craft paper. Here we are taking this 15 centimeter square paper. Now fold it, make triangular shape. Again fold it like we're doing here. Now we're going to make pleats for the wings. So fold it like this. After this, flip it and pull the paper downwards. Here we're going to make the ears of the bat. So make these two triangles from both sides. Flip it again and make fold to the wings of the bat like this from both its sides like this. Now we are going to make a V-cut at the center and look, it's ready. Now we are going to paste the eyes of the bat. So we are pasting these googly eyes and face and look, it's ready. Let's make these cute baskets for Halloween. You can gift it to your guest or your loved ones. So we are going to fold this yellow craft paper and make a triangular shape. Open it and again fold it from its sides like this. We're giving it shape of a pumpkin. So make multiple pleats and tuck the paper inside from all its sides. So flip it and tuck it the paper inside like this. After this, we're going to fold the pointy part as well and gently open it and look, draw the face and it's ready. Now we are going to make the handle as well. So make multiple fold and make a strip of this yellow paper, bend it and tuck it inside like this. You can also paste it and it's done. We're going to make these monsters for Halloween. You can gift candies to your guests during Halloween night. So let's make it. For that, we are going to fold this yellow craft paper and make a triangular shape. Open it and tuck the paper inside and look, it's done. Now we're going to fold another piece of paper. Here we are going to make the horns of the monster. So fold this red craft paper, tuck it inside and look, it's ready. We're going to make these finger flying bats. Let's make it. For that, we are going to fold this purple craft paper. We are taking 21 centimeter paper here. Make multiple folds like this. Flip it. Now we are going to make the wings. So make multiple crease on the wings as well. So fold it again and again from its both sides like this. Open it and we are going to fold the paper and make a triangular shape at the center like this. Again fold it like we're doing here. We are going to make multiple pleat on the wings. Now we are going to draw the face of the bat and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.